Understanding the phrase, doesn't bat an eye. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, doesn't bat an eye. This phrase is a gem in the English language, capturing a cool, calm reaction in the face of something surprising or shocking. If you're eager to expand your English vocabulary and grasp nuanced expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to not bat an eye, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone doesn't bat an eye, they're showing no reaction or emotion to something that would typically cause surprise, shock, or any strong emotion. It's as if their eyelids don't even flutter, which is what bat refers to here, the quick movement of eyelids. This expression is used to describe a person who remains calm, unflustered, or indifferent in situations where you'd expect a different reaction. The phrase, doesn't bat an eye, has an interesting background. The word, bat, in this context comes from an older version of English, where it meant to blink or flutter the eyelids. So, when we say someone doesn't bat an eye, we're literally saying they don't even blink, emphasizing their remarkable composure or indifference. This idiom has been part of the English language for centuries, evolving from literature and everyday speech to become a common way to describe stoic or unresponsive behavior. To help you understand how to use doesn't bat an eye in real-life conversations or writing, here are a few examples. Despite the chaos around him, he didn't bat an eye and continued his work. She told him the shocking news, but he didn't bat an eye. Even when faced with criticism, she doesn't bat an eye, she just keeps moving forward. Notice how this phrase perfectly captures the essence of remaining undisturbed or indifferent, regardless of the circumstances. The beauty of English is its flexibility and the existence of variations for many idioms, including this one. You might also hear, doesn't blink an eye, or doesn't bat an eyelash. All these versions convey the same meaning and can be used interchangeably, depending on your preference or the context of the conversation. We hope this exploration of doesn't bat an eye enriches your English vocabulary and gives you a new way to express calmness and indifference in the face of surprising or shocking situations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions, reactions, and much more. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the moment is right. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.